Welcome to the world of online workshop. Today we are going to explore how to conceptualize and deliver an online workshop. By the end of this, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to set up and deliver your own online tutoring sessions successfully. The key resources required are as follows. On. Pick a topic. Choose something fun or useful that you or someone you know is good at. For example, your grandmother is great at making pickles, so that's a great topic. You can create a quirky name for the workshop depending on your audience. Are you conducting it for adults or children or anyone interested in learning how to make pickles? 2. Plan the workshop. Break it into parts. Write down each step of the pickle making process. Gathering ingredients, preparing, mixing, etc. Plan the sequence for the workshop and create any additional resources to support each step if you can. Allocate time for each part. Since you have 1 hour, plan your timing carefully. For example, spend 5 minutes on the introduction, 10 minutes on ingredients, 30 minutes on cooking, 10 minutes for Q&A, and 5 minutes for closing. 3. Decide on a price. Set a fair price. Think about how much you would want to charge for the workshop. Since it's a fun, beginner class, you could charge a small fee. Compare prices. Check other similar workshops online to get an idea of what people charge. Make sure your price is fair for what you're offering. What will you do with the money that you collect? Choose a platform to collect fees. Payment methods. You'll need to collect the fee before the workshop. You can use services like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. Ask your parents for help if needed. Add details to your poster. When you share the workshop information, like the date and time, include instructions on how people can pay the fee. For example, send $5 to PayPal link to join. 5. Promote the workshop. Create a poster. Use an app like Canva to make a cool poster with the title, Learn how to make pickles with my grandma. Include the date, time, price, and how to pay. Share it. Post the flyer on social media. Ask your parents to share it with their friends and tell classmates. If your grandma has friends interested, invite them too. 6. Invite people and follow up. Once someone has paid, send them the link to the workshop. You can create a list of attendees so you know who has signed up. The day before the workshop, send a reminder with the link to make sure everyone knows when to join. 7. Practice for the workshop. Rehearse the steps with your grandmother. Make sure she feels comfortable and ready. You can pretend to be the audience and ask her questions. 8. Get everything ready. Make sure your internet connection is strong and that you have all the ingredients and equipment ready. Also, check the payment platform to ensure everyone who signed up has paid. 9. Start the workshop. Welcome everyone to the workshop. Introduce your grandmother and guide the class through the steps of making pickles. Be sure to interact by reading questions or comments people have. 10. End with a thank you. After the class, thank everyone for attending. You can suggest they try making their own pickles at home and send you pictures of their results. This way, you'll not only organise and deliver the workshop, but also manage the pricing and payment, giving you a real taste of planning a professional event.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.